Position sensors are devices that measure displacement, both linear and angular, and sometimes they also measure velocities. They are proprioceptive sensors. That is, they provide the robot with information about the robot itself, sometimes of the robot on the whole, but usually about parts of it, the movement of parts of it, such as links, joints, wheels, and the likes. There are several types of position sensors depending on the type of movement they measure, but mostly on the technology they use. We will see some of them. Potentiometers use a transducer function that transforms a position into voltage using resistors. And they can measure both linear or rotary movement. Encoders are produce a digital output based on small incremental movements. The information they provide can be incremental, so they inform about just these little jumps or these little steps, or absolute, giving an absolute positions. LVDT, linear variable differential transformers, are transformers with a mobile iron core that moves depending on what is the movement they're measuring, so the magnetic flux between coils varies and consequently the output. Resolvers use almost the same technology, the same idea, but if LVDT measure a linear movement, resolvers move rotary or angular motion. And finally, robots also use GPS, so they can position the whole robot relative to a global reference. There are several other position sensors using other technologies, such as Hall effect or conductive elastomers, but we won't deep dive on them.